Gabriel Medina floats above the water in stunning photo in an unexpected and stunning spectacle. A remarkable photo captured world surfing champion Gabriel Medina seemingly floating above the water during the Paris 2024 Olympics. The photo, taken by renowned photographer Jerome Brouillet, shows Medina, who is competing in the surfing qualifying rounds, soaring above the water as he rides a massive wave, creating a sense of motion and magic. The images sparked both astonishment and debate among viewers, with some questioning its authenticity while others marveling at Medina's skill and ability to master the art of surfing. Brouillet was able to capture this extraordinary moment by utilizing long exposure photography, a technique that allows him to capture the movement of light and encapsulate the beauty of nature within a single frame. Brouillet described the moment as perfectly timed, stating that it showcases Medina's skill and the inherent beauty of the sport. While this photo did not affect the outcome of the surfing competition at the Paris 2024 Olympics, it will undoubtedly remain as one of the most remarkable moments in the sport's history.